Hey peeps, I welcome you all. First of all, I want to wish you all a happy new year. I hope you are excited as I am to fresh start and make most of 2025. First thing first, let's see what I got for new year. From past few days, I'm ordering a lot of things. First, I got this planner and it's really pretty. I had never used planner. I basically used diaries or to-do list. I think it's worth buying. Second thing I got is this power bank. It was really needed because my phone always run off the battery when I'm not home. Next thing I got is this blue cut glass from Lenskart. My screen time is more than 6 hours. That's why I wear blue cut glasses and it really helps in blocking all those blue rays. My old glass got broke. That's why I got another pair. And the last thing is this lip balm from Sugar. So I'm going to write my goals of 2025 real quick. Let's do that. Guys, guess what? I'm just done writing my 2025 goals. Okay, let me tell you all one thing. Today, I mean 1 January 2025, I met my old friends. After grade 8, I changed my school and we all moved to different cities. And today, we met all like after 5 years. Last time we met when it was Feb 2020, and then today. I clicked a lot of pictures and spent time with them.
GB.